Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be solving questions related to exercise 3.6. This is the last exercise of this chapter. See, very easy. 11 friends A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J and K are watching a movie in a cinema hall sitting in a row. H is immediate left of D. See, first thing is, there are totally how many people? There are 11 friends. Okay. Now, to sit for 11 friends, we need 11 seats. So, I can say, we can draw here 11 seats. It will be easy for us to understand 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. H is immediate left of D. See, whatever they are saying, sentence by sentence we will go and we will keep on writing what they are saying. How? See, H is immediate left of D. It means you will write D here. H is immediate left. It means H will come here. Simple. Then, and third to the right of I. See, we are talking about H. H is third to the right of I, means wherever I is, to the third to the right of I means first, second and third. H is third to the right of I. Simple. It means there are two blank places. Now, J is the immediate neighbor of A and B. J is the immediate neighbor of A and B both. Immediate neighbor. Now, how can J be the immediate neighbor of A and B both? Understand this. It means J will be in between A and B. So, B or A here, or there can be B, J and A. We do not know how the sitting arrangement is, just we know that the immediate neighbors are A and B. So, what will we do? We will just put a blank here. Simple. Then, J is the immediate neighbor of A and B and third to the left of G. Third to the left of G means wherever G is, third to the left, 1, 2, 3, third to the left of G. So, it means there are two blank spaces, two blank places. Now, A is the second to the right of I, to the right of E. It means wherever E is, A is the second. So, 1, 2, here is the A, here is the blank place. Okay. A is the second to the right of E. Now, understand who is at one end of the row. Now, one thing is, they are saying E is at one end of the row. There are only two ends, obviously. This is one end and another end is this. Now, understand this. They are saying to the right of E there is A. So, E cannot be here. E cannot be here. Why? Because they said to the right of E there is A, but there are no places. So, it is not possible that E is at this end. It means E is at the beginning. E is at the beginning. Then, F is sitting next to the right of D. F is sitting next to the right of D. It means D is here. So, F will be next. So, you can write here F is sitting next to the right of D. And D is second to the right of C. D is second to the right of C. So, I can say wherever C is, D is second. So, 1, 2. D will be here and D is here. We know that. Now, I can just rewrite this at our places what we have already made. See, first I will write E and A. E and A. Done. Then, they have said that here it is blank J dash dash G. See, we already know that J is immediate neighbor of A and B. Now, A is here. So, I can say wherever A is, I will write J here and B is also the immediate neighbor. So, B will appear here. Now, from J after two places there is this G. So, I can write here two places 1, 2 and here will be the G. Simple enough. Now if G is here, what all are left? I dash C H D E, C H D F. So I can write here I dash C H D F. Which one is left? A B C D E F G H I J is left. So therefore I can write J here. So this is our answer number 1. This is our sitting arrangement. Simple. Now, who is sitting at the center of the row? Now, center of the row means there are 11 friends. So the sixth person is sitting at the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the center of the row. And who is sitting here? I is sitting here. Simple enough. Now, who are the neighbors of H? This is our H. Who are the neighbors? C and D. C and D. How many persons are sitting between E and F? E is here. F is here. So there were total 11 friends. Between them will be 9 people. 9 friends. Now, name the person who is sitting fifth to the right of K. Where is K? There is no K. A, B, C, D, E, G, H, I, J. And K. Where is K? Sorry, this is not J. This is K here. So, name the person sitting fifth to the right of K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who is sitting? G is sitting here. Understood? Simple enough. Now, see. This was the question number 1 to 5. Now we'll be solving question number 6 to 10 according to the next given data. See, 9 girls A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I are sitting in a row. D is sitting second to the right of E. It means wherever E is there, D is sitting second. 1, 2. So D is here. 1 blank space. Total blank spaces are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And C is sitting third to the right of E. C is sitting third to the right of E. It means third to the right of E will be 1, 2, 3. Here is our C. Simple. After that, B is sitting at one end of the row. Okay, so either B will be here or B will be here. We do not know. We are just telling that it is at the end of the row. It can be either this or this. Then after that, H is sitting between F and G. H is sitting between F and H is between F and G. So these two places will be either F and G or G and F. Okay. B is sitting third to the right of F. It means wherever F is there, third to the right of F. 1, 2, 3. So it will be here. B is sitting third to the right of F. But we already know B is sitting at one end of the row. Now think properly. If B is here, F cannot be at the left of B because this is the first place. So by default, B will appear here only. Understood? And if B is appearing here, F will be coming here. Now after this, it is given F is sitting to the immediate right of A. So wherever A is, C, F is sitting immediate right, it means A and F will be appearing like this. Simple enough. Now what is they say? They say that A and F, it means A can be written here. Simple enough. Then about H they said H is between F and G. If H is between F and G, F we have already written, so G will be appearing here and H is between F and G. Simple. Now what all is left? E dash DC is left. So I can write here E dash DC. So who is left? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I is left. So I will be appearing here. So your sitting arrangement will be E, I, D, C, A, F, H, G, B. Simple. Who are the immediate neighbors of A? Immediate neighbors of A are C and F. Who is sitting to the right of E? Where is E? Right of E is I. Which girl is sitting exactly in the middle of all girls? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Middle is A. How many girls are seated between E and H? Where is E? This is E. H. How many are seated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 girls are seated between E and H. Simple enough? Now see. Seven boys are there, so 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A, B, C, D, E, F and G. See. What do they say? 7 boys are there. North, F is to the immediate left of D. It means wherever D is, F is the immediate left. So it will be FD. G is between A and E. It means it can be G is here. It can be either A and E is here, or you can say it can be E and A. I am saying that between A and E. So it can be A, G, E, or it can be E, G and A. It can be any of the possibility. Then understand this. A have one boy between them. F and A have one boy between them. So understand this. Either it can be F, that boy, and A is here, or A, boy, and F can be here. Understood? But remember this. If A dash F is the possibility, then we know that wherever F is, D should be in between them. So it should be F, D and A. And if A dash F is there, so it will be A dash F, D will be there. Simple. Now, because wherever F is to the right, it will be D for sure. Now, E and C have 2 boys between them, E and C. So understand this. Either you can put C here, E and C will have 2 boys, or you can put C here. So it will be 2 boys here, 1 and 2. C and B have 3 boys between them. So you can say, where will the third boy appear? C and B. So B can be here, or B can be here also. Simple enough. Now, this is what the equations are, that either this can be this C A G E B or B E G A C. Now we have to put F D A or A dash F D. Now see, in both the places 5 here and 5 are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have to put F and D also. Okay. See, if I have to put F D A, it means I need 2 blank spaces with A left of the A. But in this case, I do not have any blank space because C is already there. Understood? So this cannot be put in this bracket. Then FDA cannot be put here also, because here also there are no left spaces besides A, because G and E are already sitting. So I can say this cannot be the possibility. Now after this, see, if I am saying A dash FD is my possibility, I will check again. See, if I put A dash FD in this, so I know it is just impossible, because I need a blank and FD here, 3 blanks, but all the 3 blanks are filled here. So again, this possibility is also not our answer. Now, what will become our answer? This and this. How? See, B, E, G, A, C, and then A dash FD, A dash F, D. Simple enough. Now, this is our answer for this question. This is the standing arrangement. Who is third to the right of E? 1, 2, 3. C is at the right. Thereafter that, who are the neighbors of C? Neighbors of C is A and F. A and F. After that, How many boys are standing between B and F? How many boys are standing between B and F? This is B, this is F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, which boy is standing exactly in the middle? How many are there? 7. So the fourth one is in the middle. A. This is how our answer will appear. Okay. Now, we'll go to the next question. 7 friends T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z are sitting around a circular table facing towards center. Okay. Z is second to the left of W. See, if it is a circular table, I will draw a circle here. Z is second to the left of W. It means wherever is the W, Z is second to left. So 1, 2, this is a Z. And is neighbor of X and Y. Z is second to the left of W, done. And is the neighbor of X and Y. So either X can be here and Y can be here, or Y can be here and X can be here. Any of the possibility is possible. Now, W is not a neighbor of V or X. It means they are saying W is not a neighbor of V and X. It means in these two brackets, this one and this one, V cannot appear and X also cannot appear. If X cannot appear here, we can say Y will appear here. And if Y is appearing here, we can say X will appear in this side. So I can write here, this is for Y and this is for X. Simple enough. Now, T is the neighbor of U and V. So, T is the neighbor of U and V, and we already know that I cannot write V here. Okay, V is not possible here because it is already given. W is not a neighbor of V or X. Now only 3 people are left. See, W, X, Y, Z is done. So, T, U, V is left. We know V cannot appear here. So, and T is the neighbor of U and V. So, if T is here, and it is neighbor of U and V. V cannot appear here. So I will write here U and this will become Y, V. Simple. Now, this is our circular arrangement. Now read the question. Write the neighbors of U, W and T. Who are the neighbors of X, Z and V? Who is third to the left of T? 1, 2, 3, Z. Who is sitting immediate right of Y? W. Very simple. Now, seven friends are playing cards sitting around a circle table facing towards center. F is second to the right of G. It means if G is here, F is second to the right of G. 1, 2. Here will be the F. B is neighbor of F. So I do not know whether B is here or here. We do not know. Okay. B is neighbor of F but not of C. It means wherever B is appearing, C should not be the neighbor of B. So I can say B can appear here because C is not the neighbor of B. So simple. I can remove it from here. Then E is the neighbor of C. E is the neighbor of C. And sitting fourth at the right of G. So wherever is G, E is sitting fourth. So G is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can say fourth at the right of G, E will be sitting here. After this, D is sitting between E and A. D is sitting between E and A. So I can say E is already here. I can write D is here and A will be appearing here because D is sitting between E and E. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So who is left? I can say A, B, C is left. So I can write here C. Simple. Remember this, B is the neighbor of F but not of C. So C is appearing here, B is not the neighbor. Simple enough. This is our circular arrangement. Now see the question. Who is fourth to the left of G? Left of G is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4th. C is the answer. Who is sitting left of G? A. Who are the neighbors of F? B and C. Who are the neighbors of B? G and F. Simple enough. Now C. 8 friends P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W are sitting around a circular table facing the center. So 8 people are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. V is third to the right of Q. So if I say Q is here, V is third, so V will be here to the right of Q. And V is again second to the left of R. V is second to the left of R, so R will be here. Left will be 1 left, 2 left. Simple. Then Q is second to the left of T. Q is second to the left of T. So if T is here, 1 left and second left. Okay. After this, and immediate right of S, it means they are saying Q is second to the left of T is done and immediate right of S. So S will be here, so that it will become immediate right. U is between Q and T. U is between Q and T, so I can write U here. After that, P is not at the left of R. So this is the left of R. P is not here, so I can write P here. So P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W will appear here. Very simple. Now we'll answer the questions. Questions are: who is exactly at left of S? W. Who is second to right of T? P. What is exact position of W? Now, exact position of W is immediate, or you can say between S and R. Between S and R. Okay. Who is second to the right of S? U. This is how we are supposed to do the sitting arrangement questions. Now, this was the last question of our exercise and the chapter number 3. We will see the chapter number 4 from the next video. Thank you so much.